Cloud Spanner is Google Cloud Platform's globally distributed relational database service. It's designed to handle mission-critical applications that need to operate across multiple regions while maintaining data consistency. Think of it as a database that can serve users anywhere in the world with the same level of reliability and performance. Cloud Spanner is a fully managed relational database service, which means Google handles all the infrastructure, maintenance, and scaling for you. It combines the best of both worlds: traditional SQL databases that you're familiar with and the horizontal scalability typically found in NoSQL systems. Most importantly, it offers global distribution while ensuring strong consistency, meaning your data is always accurate across all regions simultaneously. Let's look at the key features that make Cloud Spanner unique. First, it provides strong consistency with ACID transactions across all regions globally. Second, it supports horizontal scaling through automatic sharding and replication, so your database grows seamlessly with your needs. Third, it offers full SQL support with standard schema definitions, making it familiar for developers. Finally, it guarantees high availability with a 99.999% service level agreement and automatic failover capabilities. Cloud Spanner's architecture allows you to deploy database nodes across multiple continents. For example, you can have nodes in the United States, Europe, and Asia regions simultaneously. Each region contains database nodes and replicas that are synchronized in real time. This architecture enables your application to serve users locally, reducing latency, while maintaining global data consistency through synchronized replication across all continents. The secret behind Cloud Spanner's global consistency is Google's TrueTime technology. TrueTime is an API that uses atomic clocks and GPS signals to provide globally synchronized timestamps with extremely high precision. This technology enables external consistency for distributed transactions, meaning that even across different continents, Cloud Spanner can determine the exact order of transactions and maintain perfect consistency. Creating tables in Cloud Spanner uses standard SQL syntax, making it easy for developers to get started. Here's a basic schema definition example. We create a table called users with 4 columns: userid as an integer 64, username as a string with maximum 100 characters, email as a string with maximum 255 characters, and created@ as a timestamp. The primary key is set to userid, which determines how data is distributed across the database. Cloud Spanner offers a powerful feature called Interleaved Tables, which establishes parent-child relationships for data collocation. In this example, we create an orders table that is interleaved in the parent user's table. This means order records are physically stored together with their corresponding user records. The primary key includes both userid and orderid, ensuring that all orders for a specific user are collocated, which significantly improves query performance for related data. Cloud Spanner excels in several industry scenarios. In financial services, it's ideal for global payment processing and fraud detection systems that require absolute consistency. For gaming applications, it manages player profiles and leaderboards that need to be accessible and consistent worldwide. In supply chain management, it provides real-time inventory tracking across continents, ensuring accurate stock levels regardless of location. These use cases all share the need for global scale, strong consistency, and high availability. Let's compare Cloud Spanner with traditional relational database management systems. Cloud Spanner offers global distribution out of the box, while traditional databases typically focus on single-region deployments. Cloud Spanner provides automatic sharding that handles data distribution for you, whereas traditional systems require manual partitioning and complex setup. Most importantly, Cloud Spanner maintains strong consistency globally, while traditional distributed databases often settle for eventual consistency, which can lead to temporary data inconsistencies. Here are the key takeaways about Cloud Spanner. First, It's best suited for mission-critical applications that require global reach and cannot tolerate any data inconsistency. Second, it successfully balances SQL familiarity with NoSQL scalability, giving you the best of both worlds. Finally, while Cloud Spanner is powerful, you should carefully consider the cost versus benefit for your specific workload requirements, as it's designed for enterprise-scale applications with demanding consistency and availability needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.